Alrighty, for your viewing pleasure, we have another 42-inch Hampton Bay Littleton ceiling fan. The one I recorded was in the kitchen. This one is in my sister's room. Same exact fan, same exact finish. Your natural boring white finish with boring white blades with cool oak. I do not know what year this fan is. Probably around, I would say, 2006-7. Overall, these fans, they're not that bad. They're okay. I don't love them. I like them, but they're okay. I can see why fan collectors really hate these fans, but in my opinion, these fans aren't too bad. You notice that, yeah, this fan got tortured by me. I'm most likely going to replace this fan with a Harvey Centerville in boring white, but I don't know when that's going to happen. Here's the light. I am using a awesome LED because LEDs are awesome. And start the light. Okay. Anyway, here's low. Now, this fan was quiet when we installed it around, well, I was probably little, so there is no we. My grandfather installed this. And as you can see, this fan does have noise. It was silent before. Yep. So. Anyway, here's medium. And also, I put these, if you guys are curious, I put these fobs on here. I took the boring ones off. These chains look better. And the buzzing you hear, it is indeed coming from the globe, of course. Every hugger's annoying part. But overall, this fan, it performs okay. The build quality, it's in between. The performance is okay. But, whatever. I don't mind to have these fans installed in my room anytime soon. And here's high. This fan honestly doesn't look too bad. Now the walls are not pink and the ceiling is pink. It's more like an greenish. So this fan blends into this room kind of well. And now we're in high speed. This fan is silent. Also, this fan goes pretty fast, too. Not gonna lie. Here's the light again. Alright, this is the video of the other 42-inch Hampton Bay Littleton ceiling fan. See you guys later.